Hi everyone, we are working in our third grade book. We are on lesson 8, page 102. I will give you guys a couple seconds to get there. Alright, we are studying scientific and technical text. So, a scientific text informs readers about science topics, such as how plants grow. A technical text gives details about how something works or instructions on how to do something, right? So it could be examples of how-to videos or cookbook recipes, right? Main idea, as the same as before, it tells about a text is mostly about, right? Why are you reading this text? What are you going to get from this text? What's the topic? And then you have just supporting details, which backs up the main idea, right? It gives you the information of what you are reading. Then you have text structures. So we have steps in a process for our first text structure. So it tells you each step must be done in order or the process won't work as planned, right? That would be your manuals, how to put something together, how to build something, how to do origami. You need to follow the steps or it will not work out, right? Then you have your whole two-part, which is a text structure that starts with the main idea or the whole and supports the details as the parts. Think about, it gives you the big picture and then it dives down and tells you all the little small parts that make up the huge picture, right? So tells you big picture so you know what you're doing, and then it goes into the small little pieces that go into it. Then you got your problem solution, which we've had before, which tells you your problem and then ways to solve it. And then you have your cause and effect, which we have studied before, which is the cause of something, what something happens, and then the effect, what happens after that, right? Something happens, the effect of what happens after it. Cause and effect. Then we have spatial, which is text structure that organizes details by the space they take up. Think about that. This one they use layers of soil, right? Because there's all different types of layers of soil, right? Top, middle, bottom soil. But you also can think about the layers of the earth, right? You have your core, and then all your layers up to your crust, right? Awesome. Then you have your graphic features, which you can look at. Your graphic features are your diagram, your flow chart, your table, and your graph. And then you have domain-specific vocabulary again, which is the same thing we saw in the historical text part. And it is, again, the words that relate to the topic. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I will see you guys soon. Enjoy the rest of your day.